You guys don't need to pay for Rplay anymore, and I'm going to be showing you why in this video. Here's today's active shoutout. Now if you guys want to win a free shoutout on my channel, all you have to do is be active in the comment section down below on every single video and you will win a free shoutout, trust me. I am a very small YouTuber, so winning one of these shoutouts is very easy for you guys. You guys will get subscribers, free clout, and obviously your name being mentioned on my channel. Now the winner for today's shoutout is Mr. R. He has been very active in my comment section and always being there for me as a supporter, so I really thank you for that. Please guys, go ahead and check out his channel. The card is up above, you guys can click it and it'll send you straight there. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy TechnoTrend, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a really cool alternative to Rplay. Now this alternative does come from PS4 or Sony themselves, so it's going to be really awesome for you guys to use, and it's going to be absolutely free. You guys don't have to pay for anything or do any of that stuff. Now I'm going to get into the tutorial on how to do this, what app you should use, and where you get it from. Without any further ado, let's get started with today's video guys. Alright guys, now that you're on your iPhone, what you guys want to do is go into the App Store and look up PS4 Remote Play. Now once you look that up, you guys will have to install it. It's really free, trust me. Then once you install it, just go into the PS4 Remote Play and you guys will have to sign in. So click start and sign into your account. Alright guys, now that I put in my passcode for my account, it's searching for it on the same Wi-Fi. Now you guys must be on the same internet connection in order to connect to your phone, to your PS4. So make sure you connect it to the same Wi-Fi guys. This will not work if you guys are on a different network connection. Alright guys, so I did have issues trying to log in automatically, so I'm going to try the manual way. So you guys, if it didn't work for you, all you have to do is click start and go to register manually. Make sure to go on your PS4 as seen on. You guys have to go all the way to settings. And make sure you guys are signed into the proper account or else this will not work. Scroll all the way down till you see remote play connection settings. Make sure enable remote play is on. Click add device. And there is your code. Now there's your code. All you guys have to do is input it into your iPhone and you guys will. All you guys have to do is input this code into your iPhone and you guys should be good to go. Then for some reason there's no done button, so you guys got to double tap out and then click register. Now on the PS4 screen you guys can see it is saying Brandon Ramirez is connecting using remote play. You guys can see it on your PS4. It will switch out of the settings so you guys would be good to go. And now on the screen you guys can see you guys are able to use your little pad, which is kind of cool guys. So now I am using the iPhone to control my PS4. Now that's basically it to this tutorial guys. This does work, you guys can play games. It does have taptic feedback as well, so every time you tap the buttons it does vibrate and gives you some sort of response, which is kind of cool. You guys can go inside and play any games you want. You can also use this as a remote, but I did hear if you're playing competitive games like Apex or Fortnite, you guys will not be able to play it because there's a little user response lag. So that's the only issue with that, but I'm pretty sure with all the other games you guys should be good to go guys. Thank you guys for watching this video, and again, for all those Rplay users, you guys don't need to do that. So refund your money, go on iTunes and refund that money, because $11.99 for something that's free is really unfair. So guys, please go get your money back. Appreciate you all staying by me. Hope you guys did have a good time. Stay tuned for more awesome videos. See you guys in the next one. Peace.